Hala. Baliw.
Baliw. Oh, baliw. Oh, baliw.
Like,
lie to me like I'm stupid.
Oh, stupid na.
Good morning, Philippines!
You farted, oy. Stinky fart, oy. Who farted? Are you embarrassed now that you fart in front of mama? Are you embarrassed now? Oh, you farted mo no. Stinky fart mo no, oy. You stinky fart, oy. When you sit up right here, you farted. And then you jump. You jump because you don't like there's some air coming out in your ass. What is it? And then you snip in it. You snip in it. Snip in your hiney. Yes, you stinky fart. Ew. Stinky fart mo na, oy. Stinky fart. I know. Oh, the ducky duck duck, oy. I really want to wash that ducky duck duck. But my God, if I wash it, you won't like it anymore. Because there's no squeaky. I don't know how to wash that ducky duck duck without, ruining the squeaky part. Right, Meat Rocks? Very clear as we're both lying here. There's so many things I want to say.
I will always love you. I would never leave you alone. See things I might regret. It breaks my heart to say it crying.
Tanaw si Sis Mia. Tignan nyo si Sis Mia, guys. Yun yung kapatid ko, guys, na as in, ang ganda mo, sis. Oy, ikaw talaga, oy. Yun yung kapatid ko na matagal ko nang hindi nakikita. Sige na, guys. Dito na, guys. Kaya nahiya na si Sis Mia. Sige na, dito na lang. Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Nakausap ko si Sis Mia, guys. Nagsasalita. Nag-uusap kami mga mataas din yung usapan namin, guys. Nakalimutan ko, naglalaba pala ako. Nilabhan ko yung ano ng biyanan ko. Guys, meron pa ba kayong jeans na ganito, guys? Ha? Yung ano dito sa baba. Yung maluwag-luwag. Alam niyo ba kung ano tong jeans na ito? Mataas ito, guys. Mataas itong jeans na to. So, pinutulan ko. So, ako yung nagtatahi. Ako talaga, mahilig talaga ako magtahi ng jeans na mataas. Kasi alam nyo naman, sobrang putot-putot ako. So, matagal-tagal na hindi ko na ito nasusuot, guys. Dahil, alam nyo na, mga ganito, mga old style. Pero, nagustuhan ko siya ulit dahil sa color. Alam nyo ba, Frigo ito. Nabili ko ito sa Robinson sa Cebu, dun sa Jones. Iwan to, basta dun, sa Robinson sa Jones. Mag-grocery pala ako. Si Sis Mia, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Sis Mia, if you're watching this video, thank you so much sa time. And also, oh my God, ang yung asawa niya, guys, as in, sobrang nakakatawa. Very talkative din. Okay, hold on. May replyan ko muna si Sis Mia. Si Tami, andito siya mamaya. And it's already 12 something o'clock. Hindi pa ako kumain. I think kakain ako ng dish na ito. Para hindi ako magutom. Alam nyo naman, guys, ako pag magutom. Kaloka. So, kakain lang ako kahit lunchtime na. Ito lang. Malaki kasi yung kinakain ko this morning, guys. Alam nyo ba? Kumakain ako ng fried rice. So, yun ang breakfast ko. So, marami-rami. Alam nyo naman, pag rice, fried rice. Damihan ko, kain lahat. But anyway, sino ba to? Anyway, nilabhan ko lang yung mga bedsheets niya, guys. Para naman, pagpunta niya dito, mabango na yung bedsheets niya. Hindi na mabaho-baho. Mabango-bango na, mabango-bango ang bulaklak. Sisira ang bulaklak. Pagdating rin ng Rayna, pakimbut-kimbut siya. Bum-tiyaya, bum-tiyaya, bum-ye-ye. Labadami, labang. Mabilis lang ako doon sa grocery. Yung lista ko andito na. I will see you later, guys. Okay? Mama will be quick. Hirap palang magkalisod. Let's open the garage. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best, and all I can do is hope and pray, 'cause heaven knows.
Would you think you're still the same? Believe it, I can't. It's too late.
To start pretending it's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sun sets, later than the rain, later than I never to love you again.
Your friends will think you should if you were my girlfriend.
Hi guys! Finally done sa grocery. I'm going in different way now. Different direction. Tammy and I been here once. And I don't know. I just wanna try to, you know, drive her this route. But it's a nice route. No traffic. No lights. A lot of trees. Obviously, we're in the tree. There's a ton of trees.
You make me wanna call you in the middle of the night. You make me wanna hold you till the morning light. For better or worse, till death do us part. I'll love you with every beat of my heart, and I swear, you're asking, do I love you this much? Baby, I do. Cherish you from the depths of my soul.
I'm here. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
Sour cream. I think ito yung sabi ni Tammy, sour cream. Sana ito yung sour cream na sabi ni Tammy. Kundi patay ako. Patay! Patay talaga ako nito. Patay. Kapag mali na naman ito. Mapatay ako ni Sir Tammy nito. Mali na lang yung binili ko. Puro na lang mali. Walang tama. Mali. Guys, gusto kong makita ninyo yung dalawang pusa ko. natutulog sila. Dalawa, isang lugar lang. Tignan nga ninyo guys.
You can keep pushing all your little buttons, Courtney, and doing what you want, but you're not going to break me. So I'm going to tell you now, keep it up. Keep it up, and it's all going to come back and bite you.
Tignan nyo yan. Parang twin. Parang twin sila. Diba? Kakatuwa naman itong mga babies ko, oy. Kailangan ko na talaga ng basura dito, guys. Naglilinis pala ako kahapon. Hindi ako nagva-vlog kahapon, guys. Pero naglilinis ako dito. Sa bedroom niya, naglilinis ako. Actually, itong bed is maliit. Yung bed kasi niya, andun pa sa isang bahay, sa bed niya, sa bedroom niya. So, ito, nilagay lang namin dito para kung andito siya, may mahigaan siya. So, kaya, ganito. So, itong mga bedsheets na ginagamit dito is malalaki. So, that's why it's oversized itong mga ilalagay ko kasi wala kaming size na ganito. Itong bed kasi, ang nagmamayari nito is yung kapatid niyang babae. At saka, hindi na nila magagamit, hindi na nila dinala kung saan man sila. So, kaya yung nangyayari, wala kaming maliit na hindi na kami bumili guys. Oy, bibili lang kami kapag itong bed. Usually pag andito na yung biyanan ko guys, itong bed punta na ito sa filming room ko. He'll be here. Okay, let me wash my hand. It's time to wash your hand every time you touch a dog. Even how much you love the dog, you always wash your hand. Is that Dada? Is that Dada? Is that your Dada? Hello? Hello, Dada's here. Allah, come in, Dada's here. Let's go. Come here. Oh my God, they can cry like somebody tried to kill them. Are you kidding me?
That was you. Puppy. Hey, big girl. Hey, big girl.
She's so happy.
Hey, girl. Hey, God. I know. Hey. Hi, Anne.
Hello, Dada's here. They're so hot.
It was all like rash all over here. Like the poison from something like that. Poison.
But it's not itchy.
Yeah, it was itchy like crazy.
Oh, so that's the poison ivy.
No, it's not poison ivy.
thick.
I think it's from a poison spider.
Spider?
Yeah.
Thick.
Not a tick. Tick doesn't let go. Tick stays there and keeps drinking your blood.
So now you're okay?
It seems like all the rash has gone back, so that's the poison affecting you.
Yeah. Guys, dito na yung asawa kong baliw. Baliw. Dito na yung asawa kong baliw. My husband's baliw.
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 Paleo. Oh, baleo. Oh, baleo.
Anyway.
Baleo. Yeah, but she's over there.
It's like, oh my
Hi,
God.
big girl.
She cried when she heard the gate, honey. When she heard the... and she's coming. She bring the book. She's coming.
Come here.
Where are you going? Come.
Come here, big girl.
Roxy, come.
I won't take your bone away. I gave it to you. Why would
She
I take
put
it
her
away?
bone over there. Are you kidding
I
me?
know you brought it out. Yeah. So she thought it was cool that you have to use the glasses to see it. This way the kids can't see that stuff.
So what if the kids have that glasses?
Oh, they have to get them. They have to get them when they check in. They have to get them from parents.
And why the leaves is down there?
What?
Did you see that?
What am I with?
Something broken over there.
Something's broken?
No, the grass is over there.
What's broken? I don't know what you're talking about, huh?
And can you give me some plate here? Or can you give me can you give me the container there? It's hard, honey. It's not, I cannot reach anything.
Not for back here. If you stand closer.
Yeah, there I cannot reach. So thank you. Here's the chicken, guys. Tapos na akong nag-barbecue. Sam is making her simply pasta. Usually Tommy like this. This is what he usually make when it's easy and quick, right? Baby, making something? Something making? It's a good looking, but he need a haircut. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. My baby. Good looking. Maybe. I'm looking for
She said it was dinner time. She said, where's my freaking dinner?
You want me to open this one? Picota. Sour cream. I only pepper. It's right there.
No, that's a little pepper, big drop.
Oh, okay. Oh, just turn that on. Turn it. And that's Lizzie, Susan. Turn. There you go, in front of you.
Oh, we don't have a big jar pepper?
No. We call it paminta. Say paminta. Paminta.
Pimentos. It's not a very good grinder. You better buy a real pepper mill
No, I like this.
and then buy the peppercorns. No one. It's a crappy grinder.
No, because this is just a simple one.
Right, because it's a crappy one.
No, fun.
Just buy peppercorns and a real grinder.
Then you have to give me a one.
That is crappy.
That's good enough already. How many you need? It's gonna be spicy.
Any other buy?
Another one? Tell me more. Don't, Roxy, you talk too much in that around. Huh? Oh my God, look at that face and son. You just look at her to wiggle her butt more.
I know you want to go back out. You got to wait a minute. I will let you back. I will let you out. I know. I want to let you out while I'm watching this hot.
Are you trying to sniff me, Hailey? The cats are crazy too. Ay. Did you hear that? Tig, 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 tig. That's your son happy too. It's hard.
What?
Why you keep licking your chops, Rocks? I'm just filming Daddy's cleaning. That's what I do best. So you pour this thing after?
Yeah. When I finish watching this, I should be ready to go.
Why is it like that?
Like what?
The water.
Because it's clogged and whatever starts with what's in here.
No, it's not clogged. It's something that because it's covered with that
With what?
thing. Cover when you're washing the other one. It's covered with that.
There's nothing covered now. So why is it not
It's
covered?
very slow, hon. Ah, the leftover pasta is there. The pasta.
There's usually enough pasta as much as everything else that you had in here that you want to clean up.
No. It's nothing in there.
Looks like some rice.
Rice. Are you kidding me? Yes.
Look, actually meat, actually.
Because that's your 100, whatever, Tommy.
Ah, it's the pasta.
Yeah, in 5 minutes. Huh?
You would lie to me.
Lie to me.
Like I'm stupid.
Say it now.
Lie to me like I'm stupid.
How stupid now, you?
Yeah.
You busy? Look at guys. He's busy, guys. Don't bother him, guys.
Don't bug me when I'm busy.
Don't bother him. Guys, don't bother him. Don't you dare bother him, guys. Because Roxy is waiting too, guys.
Oh yeah, I promise you I'll never ask you to finish washing the pot. Okay. I told you I would let you out. Do that wash pot. Okay. Wait, nice. Go get him. Whatever it is, go get him.
Okay, I'm just gonna watch him, guys. What is that?
Grated cheese.
What kind of cheese? Halahan, why is it a lot?
Look how much pasta you're dealing with. Man.
What cheese is that? Parmesan
Grated
cheese.
cheese, Parmesan cheese. Or Romano Parmesan mix of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Han, look, smile. Han, smile.
Hun?
I'm gonna put tug du du du. Smile, look. Tug du du du. Oto-oto na kung bana, guys. Oto-oto itong asawa ko, guys. What? Last?
Need a little more grated cheese. Try it.
Okay, last look. Smile.
Try it. No? What do you need?
Salt.
Yeah, I don't know if too much salt in it.
And you put add cheese also.
Yeah, well, I told you we need more grated cheese. You thought I put a lot in there.
Hello guys. Anong oras? 10 o'clock na guys. 10 o'clock na ng gabi. Saka nanonood kami ng, hold on guys, it's dark out here. Yung mata ko ba? Na, kalabo talaga eh. Anyway, I need to, tapos na akong nagkuha ng makeup ko. So foundation, ano na naman tayo? Foundation, patulog na foundation pa. Ano? Moisturizer lang ako guys kasi kapag hindi talaga ako maka-moisturizer kahit ano kapag after washing my face, I feel yung skin ko nagta-tighten up dahil sa ano, sa dryness. Yung asawa ko humihilik na sa baba. Nakatulog na. Tawagin ko na naman yan papunta dito. Ganyan kasi siya guys kapag nakahiga at saka nanonood ng TV, hindi talaga matapos-tapos yung mga pinanood namin dahil tulog talaga siya as in. Kailangan ko pa palang i-wash itong mga brushes ko eh. Ang dumi. Hindi ko na sila nagagamit kasi palagi. So, as you know, hindi na ako nagme-makeup palagi. And, yung channel ko wala ng laman. Yung isang channel ko wala ng laman. So, bukas guys, maaga tayo bukas dahil dadalhin namin yung aso sa vet. tignan natin. Sana maka-video ako doon kahit kayurik na yun. Alam ko naman na maingay yung dalawa kapag makakita ng tao. So, itry ko magdala ng camera para maano talaga kung ano yung mga, ano yung dalawa. So, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope makapanood kayo bukas with my 2 dogs sa vet. Itry ko talagang mag-vlog. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time. And yes, so, bye! Good night guys, good night. Katulugon ako guys. So,